What's up, tech enthusiasts? Welcome back to the channel. The Vivo X200s is positioned as a high-performance smartphone with a strong emphasis on photography, featuring a large battery with fast charging capabilities and the latest connectivity and software features. It appears to be an upgrade from the standard Vivo X200, offering a larger battery, wireless charging, and an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. The inclusion of the Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset suggests top-tier performance for demanding tasks and gaming. The camera system, with its Zeiss collaboration and versatile lens setup, aims to provide excellent image quality in various shooting scenarios. Look at this design. It feels premium in the hand, and that flat OLED display? Gorgeous. We're talking a 6.67-inch panel with a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate and a crisp 1.5K resolution. Colors look vibrant, and with that peak brightness, outdoor visibility should be excellent. HDR10 Plus support, and up to 4,500 nits peak brightness. It also features 2160Hz PWM dimming for eye comfort. The near-borderless design enhances immersion, whether gaming or streaming. The device will be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus 3nm chipset, featuring an octa-core CPU with Cortex-X925, Cortex-X4, and Cortex-A720 cores, along with an Immortalis G95 GPU, coupled with Vivo's proprietary blue chip stack. The X200s achieves remarkable thermal management and sustained performance. It is expected to come in multiple configurations, offering 12GB or 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB of UFS 4.0 internal storage. A versatile triple camera system, co-engineered with Zeiss, is anticipated. Main camera 50MP, Sony IMX91 sensor, f1.6 aperture, 23mm wide lens PDAF. Ultra-wide camera 50MP, Samsung JN1 sensor, f2.0 aperture, 15mm lens and 90 field of view, AF. Telephoto camera 50MP, Sony Lydia YT600 sensor, f2.6 aperture, 70mm periscope lens, 3S optical zoom, OIS PDAF. Front camera 32MP sensor with f2.0 aperture and a 20mm ultra-wide lens. The camera system will also feature Zeiss optics, Zeiss T lens coating, laser AF, LED flash, panorama, HDR, and 3D LUT import. One of the major highlights of the Vivo X200s is its deep iOS-style ecosystem integration. The device will be able to mirror iPhone notifications, enable app continuity across Vivo and Apple devices, and support fast file transfers with just a tap. A large 6200 mAh silicon carbon lithium-ion battery is expected, supporting 90-watt wired flash charge, 40-watt wireless charging, and reverse wired charging. The phone will likely run on Android 15 with up to 4 major Android upgrades. The international version will feature FunTouch OS 15, while the Chinese version will have Origin OS 5. It will support 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, USB Type-C 2.0 with OTG, and an infrared port. An ultrasonic under-display fingerprint sensor is expected, along with IP68 and IP69 dust and water resistance, and stereo speakers. It will also include AI Photo Enhance and AI Erase features, and bypass charging for stable gaming frame rates. The design is expected to be similar to the Vivo X200 series, with a circular camera module and a flat metallic frame. Color options are rumored to include gray, mint color, purple, and silver. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.